We got 3 cars. I'm going to jump right into the first launch today. So I'm going to be introducing to you 2019 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body. All right, a couple things about the wide body. First of all, under the hood is a 392 V8. It has a best-in-class 485 horsepower. Naturally, you're going to notice next on the wide body that it's 3.5 inches wider with the wide body, which allows for improved performance and handling. The second car is one in which you guys are familiar with as well. So let's introduce the 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat. So naturally, we sent out a few sneak peeks of the Hellcat. Some of you had an opportunity to see the dual-snorkel hood. That's the big news that we have here today for the Hellcat. It's actually a functional hood. So inside the left side here of the hood snorkel allows 18% additional airflow into the inlet box. That additional air allows us to have an additional 10 horsepower. So today, the 2019 Hellcat, 717 horsepower, 656 pound-foot of torque available on the Hellcat. So without further ado, let's introduce the final car. It is our 2019 Dodge Challenger Hellcat Redeye. So you'll notice a lot of the features that waterfall from the Hellcat straight over to the vehicle from a performance standpoint. But what's key here is a couple of factors. Number one, I like to view this car as the best of the Hellcat and the best of the Demon now into one vehicle. In fact, my line is that it's a Hellcat that's been possessed by the Demon. And that's what you have here with the Redeye. Underneath the hood, 797 horsepower, 707 pound-foot of torque available on this vehicle. It's basically the Demon engine with a slightly different calibration that allows the horsepower and torque stats that I just spoke to you about.